My name is Rohenaz. I am a developer and I'm involved in a bunch of projects in BSV, including 1SatOrdinals. A lot of this is really just good demonstration to show some primitive examples of the kinds of scripts and kinds of complex contracts that you can add in addition to the standard kind of token format. They're used for mostly just fun things that people are playing around with. But you could imagine really all sorts of rule sets or different criteria in order to receive a token. And those can all be baked into script. And we're just showing with these that ordinals are compatible with really whatever you could imagine. What makes ordinals BSV so unique? Well, the characteristics of BSV itself, of course, it's just super cheap and fast to move these around. Like, for example, there's a natural friction from the cost and sort of slowness that happens from using that network that doesn't exist on BSV. Most token protocols use a mechanism to sort of track the existence of that token as it moves around the network. In BSV, we only track back to the very origin of the inscription, the first time it's inscribed, not the first time the satoshi existed. So we don't have to do as much work. So you have this token, it's almost colored or something, it's like considered differently. And as you move that around, it maintains its status as a token. As BSV continues to scale, this is going to be harder and harder to do things the way that we traditionally think of how transactions work and how indexers work and everything. What's going on with SPV Wallet is a huge puzzle piece there, because we're going to need to be able to basically really peer-to-peer send things between participants without having to load a bunch of additional data and things like that. Some of the ordinal possibilities that are unique to BSV is right there in the name, 1SatOrdinals. We have the ability to send transactions with only a single satoshi. We don't have a dust limit, and so we don't have to have kind of a chunk of sats associated with an ordinal. Even the name really implies that it's tracking an individual satoshi. These are just building blocks that can be expanded into all sorts of use cases and things that are going to be pretty exciting. I think things have moved at a certain pace. And now that these sort of building blocks are there, I think things start moving quite a bit faster.